Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volumes on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now, let's scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called Sounds and Vibration and select it. And here, scroll down, find the option called Volume and tap on it. And right here we can adjust the sound volumes for our watch. We have different types of volumes. We have ringtone, media, notification and system. And we can adjust each of each of those rather. So first let's tap on ringtone, and now we can adjust the volume for the ringtone by swiping on the slider or by using the digital crown if you have it enabled. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back. Now let's scroll down, tap on media, do the same. Then press the back button. Next we have notifications. Back button. And the last thing is the system. And then once you're done, you can press the back button. If you can't adjust the sound volumes for some reason, go back to the sound and vibration settings, and here if it's selected mute, you probably won't be able to adjust the volumes. As you can see, there will be grayed out. So make sure that the sound mode is turned on to sound on or vibrate, and then you should be able to adjust the volumes. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the home button right here to go back to watch face. You can also open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen, like this. Then you can swipe left on it, and you should see this icon right here. And this is the sound volume icon. If you tap on it, it's gonna bring the volume page, and here you can adjust the volumes. So you don't need to go through the whole settings thing. You can just go to the quick panel and tap on this icon to access this quicker, basically. Okay, and that's how you adjust the sound volumes on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.